Hey everyone, welcome to the unboxing and setup guide for your portable air conditioner. This is your brand new air conditioner. Let's make sure the box arrived safely. Any damage? Don't worry, contact customer service first. They'll make it right. Find contact info in the manual. Open the box, all parts are neatly packed. Let's meet them one by one. Here are all the accessories. Make sure everything looks good. Find a flat, stable spot away. Prepare the window panel. Measure your window opening. Assemble the panels based on your window size. Just align the panel grooves with the internal metal connector plate. Super easy. Place it in the window frame. Once the desired length is set, and tighten the wing nuts from inside. It's secure. Next, continue assembling the exhaust hose. Insert one end of the hose into the connector and rotate to lock. Connect the other end to the adapter on the window kit. Connect to the unit, insert the connector end of the hose end into the unit's back, slide it left until you hear a click. Connect the other end to the window kit. Remember to close the window tightly. Finally, please ensure the unit is at least 19.7 inches from the window, and the hose outlet is preferably no more than 35.4 inches above the floor. After everything is ready, please keep the unit upright for at least 24 hours to stabilize the refrigerant. We hope you found this video helpful. Ready to keep your room cool? Let's go! Have any questions? Feel free to connect with us anytime.